Balance. Balance is a foundational principle of design, referring to the distribution of visual weight in a space. Achieving balance ensures that a design feels harmonious and stable. There are two main types of balance: symmetrical, formal, and asymmetrical, informal. Symmetrical balance involves identical elements on both sides of a central axis, creating a sense of order and formality. Asymmetrical balance, on the other hand, involves the placement of different elements to achieve balance, often resulting in a more dynamic and casual feel. Rhythm and repetition. Rhythm is the visual flow and movement created by the repetition of elements within a design. It can be achieved through repeating colors, shapes, lines, or patterns. This repetition creates a sense of consistency and coherence within a space. Rhythm can be regular, creating a calming effect, or irregular, adding more excitement and interest. Emphasis and contrast. Emphasis is about drawing attention to a particular area or element in a design. This is often achieved through contrast, where one element stands out against others. It can be through variations in color, texture, size, or shape. Contrast adds interest and focus to a design, creating visual hierarchy and guiding the viewer's eye. Proportion and scale. Proportion and scale involve the relative size and scale of elements within a design. Properly proportioned elements create a sense of unity and harmony, while playing with scale can add drama and impact. Designers carefully consider the scale of furniture, fixtures, and decorative elements to achieve the desired look and functionality. Unity and harmony. Unity and harmony are about creating a sense of completeness and cohesion within a design. It involves ensuring that all elements work together in a balanced and harmonious way. Achieving unity means that the design feels like a single, well-integrated composition, rather than a collection of unrelated elements. Contrast and variety. Contrast and variety bring interest and diversity to a design. They involve the use of differing elements, such as contrasting colors, materials, or styles. When used effectively, contrast and variety can add excitement and intrigue to a space, preventing it from feeling monotonous. Understanding and applying these principles of design is crucial for interior designers. They guide the arrangement and composition of elements in a space, helping to create visually appealing, functional, and well-balanced interiors.